Day one of watermelon juice cleanse. Got my watermelons
What you
and
know
making my
about
juice now.
rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much.
Hi everyone, this is day one of watermelon juice cleanse, and this is my second drink for the day. I'm having it for lunch. So if you want to learn more about watermelon juice cleansing, check out the Vitamin Chica YouTube channel. Day one of watermelon juicing went great. I ended up having 4 12-ounce cups of watermelon juice today, and now I'm prepping and cutting the fruit for tomorrow morning. I thought about food a little bit. I almost forgot I was juicing. Good morning. It's day 2 of watermelon juice fast, and today I was really nice. I made extra watermelon juice for my bestie Destiny, and I have mine to go to work and to drink for breakfast. So day 2 of watermelon juice fasting is over. I had a great day. I felt energetic. I felt like I had a little bit more mental clarity today, and I had energy. So when I got home, I ended up doing some yoga for a detox, so it could help the detoxification process. I even put in some laundry. I already prepped all my watermelons so I could juice tomorrow morning. And I had some company. My son came over with the grandchildren, and they ordered pizza. So the pizza smelled so good, and I was holding it in my hands, feeding my granddaughter. I was so close to eating it, but I did not even lick my fingers, promise. So all you need is a little willpower, and 3-day watermelon juice fast will end tomorrow for me. What's up? It's Lynette, and it's day 3 of watermelon juicing. I'm in the car juicing and heading to work. Take my glasses off. So I can't wait for tomorrow. I'll probably have some sea moss smoothies. Maybe I'll tape that too so you can see how I make my sea moss smoothies in the morning. And then I'll probably just have salad and veggies the rest of the day. But today is still watermelon juice day, and I will check back with you in the afternoon when I do lunch. Hey, it's watermelon juice day 3, and this is my lunch right now. What I do is I just leave work and take a walk around the business complex and drink my juice. It's like a little exercise, and I'm juicing. It's day 4, so now I'm going to be breaking my watermelon juice fast. If you haven't been following along, go to the vitaminchica.com, Vitamin Chica, and check out the watermelon juice cleanse video. And I have a lot of different health and wellness videos. But this morning, I'm going to show you how I break the fast. And I'm starting off with a smoothie. Then I'm going to have some pineapple juice and another smoothie for lunch. And then I'll have a salad. And then tomorrow, I'll eat normally. And normally, I just eat fish or chicken. I don't eat red meat. So let's start making the smoothies. First, I use almond milk. Original almond milk has less sugar, so don't get the vanilla. Fill it up to about 2.5 because I'm making enough smoothie for me twice today and for my best friend Destiny that's also breaking the fast today. I'm going to add sea moss. So I make this sea moss gel myself. I have a video on the Vitamin Chica on how to make sea moss gel at home. It's really nutritious, so I put about 1 tablespoon per smoothie. Throw in a banana. Squirt some agave syrup. I don't use sugar, so I swap with agave syrup. I do around like 10 swirls for 3 cups. Then I just add some blueberries. Add some strawberries. And if you want, this is vanilla extract. I usually add a squirt of vanilla extract. So now it's all blended. Nice and thick. I'll leave one in the fridge for my friend Destiny, and I'll take one to work with me, and I'll drink this on the way in. I can't wait.